Hello, I'd like to introduce a new contribution to the OCA, web form banner, which is currently available for version 16. We have created pull requests for the newer versions as well, including version 19, which are pending review at the moment. What this module does is pretty much what the name tells. It's it shows banner messages on form views, any form view. It's configurable. It's flexible and user friendly. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna start with showing the example based on the demo data, which is on the contacts. Okay. All right, then as I open the form view, you see a couple messages. One is the partner name is long, and the other one is tag missing. They come from the configuration, the banner rules, which are done in another menu item. Okay. So the first one, this one's complaining that the name is a bit long. It's a bit silly, but this is just for the demonstration. Okay. So they change the name, make it longer, and then it complains even more with red color. Okay. As you remove it, goes back, and then you make it even shorter, and then the message disappears. All right. And then for the tag, this is a many-to-many field. So you assign any tag, and then the banner message disappears, and remove the tag, and then it comes back. So this is how it works. Okay. Then we move on to the configuration part. So this is a form banner rules menu item. It's under settings, technical, user interface, and you see the form banner rules here. Okay. Right, I'm gonna start with some new rules. Okay, just for the demonstration. I set the name test and model banner rule. So form banner rule, which is the model we are currently on, and no trigger field set this time. Default severity. There are options for info, warning, or danger. This is just the default, but this time we're not gonna add any logic here, so this will be the color of the message you see. For the message, I set the test message this time, and then saved. I reload the tab. Then you see the message. Okay. I can change the color. Okay. And then I can change the style here. So I make it bold this time. Of course, I need to select the HTML field for this to take effect. I can also change the tag to H1 to make it much bigger. Okay. So this is how you can change the style. For the position, you can select the position. Like currently by default, it shows before the sheet node. Okay, it can be after as well. I need to reload to see the changes. Okay, then I can also change this to a specific position in the form. So this is pretty similar to how you customize a view. You select the X path. So I select this target X path field, and then the banner message here. Okay, so this is how you can adjust the style and the position of the banner message. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna delete this one for now. All right. All right. So I go back to the demo records briefly. These demo, the demo banners. Okay. These are the demo configurations. The first one, partner name length. Of course, the model is contact and the trigger field is the name. Default severity is warning, but it's not doing anything here because it's overwritten by the Python code. You can write your own Python expression. Write your own logic, and then depending on the conditions, you return the different results. And the result dictionary comes with a few keys, important keys: visible, severity, and HTML this time. Of course, the visible amount is the visibility, and the severity is the color. HTML is the message. So when you return HTML, you don't have to write a message here. Whatever is written here is overwritten. Okay. So this is how it works, and we have the help tab to explain all the available, evaluation context variables. Okay. So this is kind of similar to how you write the Python expression for server actions. So if you're familiar with the part of the configuration, I suppose you have no trouble understanding this. Okay. And then next one, this one, the partner tag missing. So this one's much simpler. As you can see, the message here, and then we just control the visibility based on the tag. Okay. So right, I'm gonna add a couple more examples using sales orders. Okay, so I'm gonna start with an issue. When you create a sales order, this warning message shows based on the configuration. I've added the warning message to the customer. Okay, the problem is this just goes away, right? And this customer complains a lot, so you need to be careful. But as you close the message, then it's gone forever. It doesn't come back. So what I want to do is to permanently show the message on the phone. So what we're going to do is create a new record, customer warning on sales order. And the trigger field is of course the customer. Okay. All right. And then message. I'm gonna just set the placeholder here. A warning message. Okay. Then I write the code. So the partner message is set on the partner, and then the field is sale warm message. I think this is right. And then based on this, we set the result. Visibility is when the warning message is available. We show the banner and the message content. Sorry, we just pass a placeholder from here to this message. So it's like this. Save, and I reload, and then something went wrong. Hold on. I made a mistake, I guess. Silly mistake here. Right. Yeah, now the error message shows. Sorry, the warning message shows. So when you change the customer, well, hold on. How come it show you false? I think there must be a mistake. Uh, yeah, sorry, the keys are not visibility. Silly mistake here. Visible. All right. Now it's working. Beautiful. Right. So this is one example. Then moving on to the other one. Okay. Next one, we're gonna show add a link to the previous order for the customer. Okay. So we're gonna add a new rule. Here is order and trigger field. Okay, this is gonna be not dynamic, so nothing set. This is just info. Actually, there's already example in the README, so I'm gonna just be lazy and copy and paste the code. Okay. Actually, it's the trigger field partner as well. All right. I'm gonna copy this and then hold on. Yeah. Copy and paste the code. So yeah, it's like this. And then I reload the tab. All right, now you see the link to the previous order. Beautiful. So when you click it, then it shows the previous order to the one that's currently showing. Yeah. So like this. So this is the first order for the customer. It seems like. Yeah. So right, that's all for the presentation. And to wrap up, this module web form banner is at the functionality to let users configure banner messages in a flexible manner for any form view. It's pretty useful. The module is currently available for version 16. There are pull requests for version 17, 18, and 19 at the moment. So if you have interest and capability, please come to the platform and review those pull requests. Otherwise, please try the module and share the information because it's useful. All right. Thanks for watching. See you.